Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all doing well. Today in this video, I will show you how you can make simple logo for your Android app with Adobe XD. XD is a free software. So let's get started. Open XD and create custom artboard with 512 width and 512 height. I am making logo for my status saver app. Let's make rectangle with artboard size, some border and some radius. Now creating two lines and write some label text in between. Also using font style Montserrat, you can use your favorite one. Already downloaded icon from the flaticon.com. I will place link in the description if you want. This icon is chat bubble icon. Copy icon image and paste on artboard. Resize and adjust the icon image. I am using text tool again and writing app title inside the image. So from XD plugin icon 4, I will use download icon. Logo is completed now. Let's export logo. Select all and make a group. Now click on group and open menu export and click selected. Select destination and click on Android option. Click to export. Done. Your logo for Android app is ready to use. I hope this video will give some idea how you can make logo for your app using XD. Please like, share and subscribe for more Android and programming related stuff. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.